Gage flyback, the rope and racing, moving up, not the outside, Northern Lotto, hook, and Chapel Guard in between horses is Fisher's Champ, Chance on the or hard way, while Security General is running in a tilt of the field out of straight day traveler. Northern Arrow takes up the running Balang, followed by Chapel Guard. Three lengths back, Hokey Hoke, Security General, Fisher's Champ, Chance on the or and hard way. Passing the half mile is still Northern Arrow, being joined by Chapel Guard. 5 lengths away in third down is Hook. Hawk Security General, then followed by Fisher's Champ. Inside the last 600, Northern Arrow still leading the pack. Chapel Guard remains in second, Hokey Hawk remains in third, and Security General remains in fourth. And towards the left, the final band is still Northern Arrow and Chapel Guard. 1 second on the outside. Northern Arrow and Chapel Guard on the outside, but still Northern Arrow leads Balang. Chapel Guard is 4 wide and making a bit on the outside, but still Northern Arrow, Chapel Guard. Hokey Hawk, hard way, Chance on the oar, Fisher's Champ, and Security General.
Dehado, Northern Arrow